Hi, I'm Tejaswini from Words Maya, and today we're going to talk about 2 English grammar rules you must learn before you die. Yes, these are rules you already know about but are making mistakes. So let us understand what are these rules. The first one I'm going to talk about are the prepositions on and in with reference to vehicles. You use on and in with reference to vehicles incorrectly quite often. For example, if I ask you, I am going on a bike, I am going in a bike, which sentence is correct? The second sentence is incorrect because you always say, I am going on a bike. Okay, fine. Now, if you are traveling by a car, so would you say, I am going on a car or I am going in a car? Confusing, right? You would say, I am going in a car. So you have to remember when you're using prepositions on and in with regards to vehicles, any vehicle you climb up on, like a bicycle or a bike, you use on. But any vehicle that you enter into or sit inside, you use in. So I sit in a car, I sit in an auto rickshaw, but I don't sit on an auto rickshaw. I sit on a bike, I sit on a bicycle. I don't sit in a bicycle. But when it comes to public transportation, for example, the bus or the aeroplane, you don't say I am getting in a bus. You always say I am getting on a bus. You don't say I am getting in an aeroplane. You say I am getting on an aeroplane. So any public utility vehicle you're talking about, they will always have on before it rather than in. So remember when to use in and when to use on when you're talking with reference to vehicle. The next is when do you use must and when do you use have. So you use must when there is an internal obligation. For example, I must sleep on time because I want to get up early. Now this is an internal obligation to yourself, so you are using must. But someone else or some external obligations are there, you use have. I have to complete the report before tomorrow. Now this is an external obligation put up by your manager or someone else. That is when you use have. You must do it. You do it when there is no scope of negotiation. You have to do it when there is a scope for negotiation. So these are the rules you need to follow so that you do not make mistakes. Thank you and happy learning.